Hey everyone, it's Marianne. Welcome to my Oasis Live. Sorry for the traffic noise. I'm currently street park right now and I'm going to Rewild, which just opened here in Ballston Quarter in Virginia. So I'm gonna go check them out. They had their grand opening last Saturday, but I didn't want to go because there were gonna be a lot of people to actually film. But I did message them and said if I could film and do a plant tour, and they said yes. So I'm coming today to check it out. I know they just opened and it's a Wednesday. Hopefully they are stocked up. I didn't want to go on Monday because I'm pretty sure they're pretty wiped out after their grand opening. So hopefully on Wednesday they're still pretty stocked up or just restocked and we can see some great plants. So yeah, let me go ahead and go there now and show you what they have. And I'm really excited to have a new plant shop open here in the DMV area, and I'll put their address down in the description. They also have one in DC as their flagship store, and they do have a pop-up in Georgetown. And if I could find the clips, I would insert them here so you can see those locations. But if not, go check my Instagram because I have toured them before. But yeah, so let's go check it out now and see what plants they have. So going here, you have to pass Union Kitchen, South Block. You see that Heart and Paw Veterinary, and Rewild is over there. And that is Rewild. Let's go in. So let's start here in this section. They have some beautiful cacti down here and over here as well. This is the Ikson grape jelly 4-inch for $17. And of course over here the classic hoya 3-inch for $15.99. Ponytail palm, this one is for $16. This one looks great. I've been meaning or thinking about getting one because I don't know, I kind of started to like them lately. So this is awesome. I like that one. And more hoya hearts. Ooh, they have the alba marginata over here. So this one is $15.99. And some cacti, euphorbias, maybe a really large one over there. I think these are bunny ears. And aloe vera, and some really huge cacti over there. Love it. And I really like the setup that they have over here. It's so pretty, great for Instagram photos. And up here they have some golden pothos, some marble queen or snow queen, and this one. I think this is the fishtail cactus or rickrack cactus that everybody likes. And they have it over here. And over here they have the classic fiddler figs, really large ones. And I think this is a 14-inch pot, maybe 16, for $220. Pretty standard price for a plant disestablished or a tree disestablished. And a really huge monstera deliciosa over here with some great fenestrations for $150. Again, standard price for plants already that are established. And this large birds of paradise. I think this is a majesty palm. And down here they have some Dracaena marginata for $28. this sanseveria that is very popular right now that everybody wants. And let me check the price. This one is $16 as well. The sanseveria Bantel Sensation. And I can see why everybody likes this one, because it has such a unique variegation that you don't often see in many snake plants. And they have the Alocasia Hilo Beauty for $29, not bad. And you can see this beautiful variegation on the leaves. And this one is a new one. If it focuses, over here is a new leaf. They have the Xanadu's over here, and this one I really like. Heart-leaf philodendron that is staked up in a pole, and it's staked up beautifully, and the leaves are very large. I really like that one. You see how large the leaves are on this, and it's nicely staked up all the way down. And this one is $130. And here's a classic, a cast iron plant for $70. This one has always had a higher price tag than most like dracaenas or aglaonemas that are like comparable to this, but they're really hardy plants. And here you have some anthurium ruffles, a large pot for $95. Look at those leaves, really pretty. If you're into anthuriums and you want one of these, it looks really nice with like with the wavy edges and really large leaves. And here they have some Alocasia poli, and over here is a philodendron fuzzy petiole for $33. So this is one of like a more unique find over here, and it looks really good. And it's a great price for $32. And there's another one here with a much larger leaf. Look at that. And this one, oh, look at the stem. Maybe that's why it's called fuzzy petiole. It literally has a fuzzy petiole. But let me see if I can focus it. Look at this over here. It is very fuzzy, really nice. And you can find it here at Rewild for $33. You have a kangaroo paw fern for $15. And the green marantha also for $16. And a bit more juvenile monstera deliciosa plant. And this one is a Homa Lomena 6-inch for $30. Looks beautiful. Very nice leaves. Look at that one. And you got the bird's nest fern for $28. And the blue star fern for $15. These are also very popular with houseplant people. I know we like to stay away from ferns, but this one is a little bit more hardier and easier to take care of compared to other ferns. Hard to please, like the maidenhair fern. Over here is the Calathea pinstripe, one of my Calatheas that I would like to have if I just learn how to take care of them. But yeah, they look so pretty. We got the ZZ Raven down here, money tree plant, and some philodendron lime. See how large that leaf is? And some aglaonema. This is the type of aglaonema that I like. Very pretty. And philodendron Brazil. And the Swiss cheese monstera. I just had to propagate mine because it was suffering from scales. But this looks beautiful for $37. And some more golden pothos. Always a good one. And some neon pothos. Some of them have variegation, like this one over here. And a philodendron cellulum, a large pot for $40. Looks really good. Some more Alocasia poly. And over here, I believe is a philodendron red Congo. Very beautiful. And another staked up philodendron, the philodendron Brazil this time. And look at that leaf. So you see how large that leaf is? Very beautiful. Up there they got some hoyas along with more marble queen pothos and golden pothos all the way up there. Very beautiful. And over here is a burgundy rubber tree. I had one before, I had to give it up because I had so many rubber trees, but this one looks really beautiful when mature like this and really large. And here we have a philodendron pearl marks for $50, a very large pot of it. And look at that leaf, so beautiful and shiny. And more birds of paradise and burgundy rubber tree over there and majesty palm. Let's go over on this table, which has some of my favorite plants. Lots of hoyas. Here is a ruby ficus elastica. Lots of plants in one pot. And this one is for $65, but you get like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plants in a pot. So I think that's a really good price. And you have the ficus taniki over here for $49, a bit cheaper than this one. And this one has 1, 2, 3, 4 plants in it, but some of the leaves have leaf burns on it, but natural for a taniki because it has that white variegated parts which die out a lot quicker than the green parts. And ficus altissima plants over here, very beautiful. This is one of the ficus that I don't have yet, but I don't have space for it, which is why I'm holding off getting it, but I really want one of these ones. And this huge pot is for $90. And some more taniki over here and more ruby ficus elastica down here. And again, another classic plant, the peace lily. Look how shiny that is. And that is for, I believe, $45. Very beautiful plant. More ponytail palm, and let's look at the hoyas, everyone's favorite, mine as well. And here we have the hoya macrophylla, albomarginata, and yeah, this is a full pot of the hoya macrophylla, albomarginata for $35. And yep, and you got the hoya crimson queen, always a good one. I always love the white leaves it produces, and this one is for $17. They have a lot of them here. And back here they have the Hoya australis for about $17, $18. Here's a much larger pot of the albomarginata, and look at that leaf, completely lime colored, so pretty. Here you have the classic Hoya publicalis splash for $35, and this one, as you can see, is very splashy, very nice coloring on it, and lots of tendrils, very beautiful. And this Hoya, I thought it was like a Wadii or a Kentiana, but it's labeled as a Dracaena for $15. And here they have the Peperomia Rana Verde for $16. A lot of them over here. And here's another publicalis, very pretty. Some more over here. And they have their watering station over here, and they're watering some plants right now. Larger sanseveria, Xanadu. Ooh, this one is a variegated corn plant. Haven't seen one in a while. Looks very pretty. And I love this setup over here. This spiral stairs where they put all the pothos plants. They have the golden pothos, a very variegated one. Looks like a Hawaiian pothos. Like, see how variegated that one here is compared to this one, the marble green pothos. A lot more very variegated golden pothos up here, neon pothos, and over here is an exotica. Probably needs watering, but it is in a large pot, and that goes for $60. So here's their watering station. Look at all those plant babies getting watered right now. And here's a larger of that sanseveria with this trellis, very pretty. And they have their pots here, very beautiful pots. And this one with the monstera adansonii, I really like this one, very cool. It's like terracotta but painted, really nice. And they have one up there too, This one I believe I saw on their websites, like this one, very pretty. And also this one, very nice pots. Yeah, but if you're a Filipino, you would recognize the shape of a clay pot because that's what we used to cook food in, at least traditionally. Those clay pots are for like $25 and they're made in Mexico. And more staked up philodendrons for $110, very beautiful. More ZZ ravens and 4-inch aglaonema plants, very beautiful. And they also have free repotting services here. Here is a kokedama of a calathea, really cute. Smaller pots, cash bow over here for $10, and this one for $12, really cute. This is their counter over here, and yeah, you can see they're open weekdays 11 to 7, weekends 10 to 6, and they also deliver, and they also have a delivery service for $15.99 within 4 miles of the Ballston or Shaw area stores. And you can always go to their website if you're in the DMV area to see if they can deliver to you. They have their tote bag for $15 or free for orders of $200 or more. So that is my tour of the Rewild new location in Ballston Quarter in Northern Virginia. If you're interested in checking them out, I'll leave their address down in the description as well as their Instagram handle. And I did buy something before I left because I felt bad not buying something after I was filming there for almost an hour. But I did get the Hoya albo marginata, and this one is for $16 for a 3-inch pot with a single leaf. And I did ask if this is just a single leaf cutting or it would grow into plant, and she said that it would take some time but it would grow into a plant. So I'll hopefully this would actually do grow into a plant. But what I love about Rewild is they do have a great return policy. So they said if within 3 days you want to return it, you can return it, full refund, no questions asked. And if within 90 days, if your plant dies or something happens to it, you can come back to the store and exchange it for a new one. So I think that's a great policy. Not a lot of plant shops have that, especially for a plant boutique store. So I'm really glad that I was able to stop by Rewild. And again, if you want to check them out, they have locations in Nova and in Shaw and DC, as well as they do have an occasional pop-up at Georgetown. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like it, please give me a thumbs up. And if you're new here, I hope you subscribe. I come up with houseplants and sustainable lifestyle videos every week. And if you haven't yet, check out these videos up here until my next one. But until then, I see you. I appreciate you. Take care of yourself and each other and have a plentiful day. Bye.